Getting signage right in XBRL tagging is one of the more difficult aspects. As a general rule, in XBRL, all numbers should be positive. The exception to this is if you've got numbers that could swing both ways, as would be the case if we made a gross loss or we had a tax credit. So when tagging in Report Authority, what you have to double check is the signage convention that we're adopting in our report different from the signage convention expected by XBRL? And in an income statement, almost all of the debits here, the signage is incorrect. Cost of sales we are showing as a subtraction from revenue to give gross profit. But in XBRL, this needs to be a positive number. So what you're required to do is you're required to reverse the sign of the tag. And if I select my tags, you can see that was actually done. You need to do the same with all of the other expenses in this income statement. I haven't done it yet, so what I want to show you is one other mechanism you can use to help review to make sure that you got signage correct. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my view, and I'm going to tell Report Authority to indicate which items will be interpreted as debits and which credits. So as you can see, the only numbers that's going to be interpreted as a debit, that's the left-hand side of this T account shown in green, is cost of sales. I've got the signage wrong on all the other expenses. So to correct this, all I need to do is highlight the cells that I need to switch the sign and click Reverse Signage Convention. There we go. So my signage is now correct. You'll do something similar on the face of the balance sheet. If you're showing liabilities as negatives, you'll have to switch those signs too. And other common areas where you will need to switch the sign are things that are inherently negative, such as disposals or deductions. Finally, there's one last chance for you to detect any signage issues, and this will be in the review report. Please have a look at the article titled Review Report.